And here's Walmart Kitty. This is the second feeding spot I go to at night. This is another feral cat. Been feeding him for like 8 or 9 years at Walmart. So he's a good cat, good black feral cat. Been keeping him alive for a long time. He's an older cat now. He must be at least like 11 or 12 or something like that. Maybe even older. Good kitty. Good baby. Yeah, good cat. Good babies. Come on, come and eat. Good kitties. Come on, come and eat. Good kitty. Yeah, the weather gets really bad. Really cold over here. Really windy. This is the field where he hunts. Whenever he wants to eat more or something, I just feed him once a night, every night. Every night, like after midnight and between 3 a.m. Basically, that's the feeding hours that I feed him at. Good baby. Need 2 hands to do this. Hold on. It's gonna fall. My phone's gonna fall. Can't do this.